who done all that? I'm going to take all that off for one bolt. Ah, Jesus Christ. Okay, see, yeah. Simple one bolt. Ah, well, yeah, so maybe top up the steering fluid. A wee bit low there, getting a little bit low. And, right, so, well, we'll need to take all that airbox out now. Happy days. Right, there it's in there. That one right there is the one we want. So, get her 10. Let's see if we can get onto that. We get new bolts in that with this. Alright. Tricky. Right, it's a bit tricky in there. We'll come back once that's on. Right guys, we've torqued the sump bolts, so we were in the middle of doing the pipe, which is in there, and we're going to leave this. It is tightened up, but it's taken me an absolute age to get those bolts started, so I've managed to finally get this one to start and go all the way home. And do not force these on these turbos, because if you cross-thread that, you're putting a turbo on it, you just are. And if you cross-thread it down at the block, it's bad news there, you're going to helicoil it or something. So that's been an incredible fight. For something so simple, it's just one bolt onto the block, one bolt into the turbo, which is the feed line, and then the one into the block. It's absolutely just getting them started. I've still got the one down on the block to try and get started. I've took the old bolt off the pipe, cut the washer off it, you know, cleaned out the hole I don't know how many times. So we'll see if we can get this in now. Hey guys, I reckon we've been about an hour on this one bolt, but I would honestly, I'll just take my time with it and be able to screw it in all the way behind, which I have. So don't force it, really, do not force that, or you're into a world of pain. I would rather take an hour trying to get that in and not damage the block. So I managed to get it eventually. What I did there was I went and blew my own tyres up, looked at another car, come back, because I was losing my mind. I was honest to God losing my mind with it. It just would not start. Probably should have filmed it. It would have been better. People would have been laughing. We'd have got more views. But that has been for one bolt, man. You know what I mean? You think, scoosh, easy. You know, I'll be home shortly. Not the case, man, sometimes. Not the case. So we're going to tighten up this bolt, hit that thumbs up, because it's been a terrible fight, that one. Hit subscribe as well, man, it made me feel good about getting that bolt in. One more subscriber will make all the difference. So, up top now. Oh, it's been an incredible fight, that, man. Incredible fight. So now we've got to tighten up the bolt up the top. Like I said, I had left that one slack, just because it's easier not to leave it slack to get all the bolts in. Once you get all the bolts in, and then you can tighten it up. So you've got this one in here, which still has the extension on it to tighten up, and it's still there. I'll show you this as well. So I'd taken the gloves off as well because I wanted to feel it even more, just because I just could not get it. Listen to this, but cooler shaker. So I think we'll open that up to have a little look in there. Doesn't sound like that's been serviced in a while, so I think we'll just get that ordered in the morning, and that'll be this one all done. So aye, man, just that one pipe, man. And I knew that bolt should go in that one down the bottom, because I cut the washer, the old copper washer off the old pipe, the banjo bolt on the old pipe. I was running that in and out just to try and clean up the hole. that one was going out, no bother, so I knew it was just angle. But yeah, and it was slack up here. Yeah, I'd put it on down there and fight it up here. I like to put it on here first because I can see that down there, you know, so that's just the way I decided to do it. Maybe there's a better way of doing it, I don't know, but that's the way I went. So perhaps if you're just going the right way. So we'll leave the box out just now actually because it's going to want a filter. I'm going to put this back up here. Locked in place, locked and loaded. And we shall check this bolt. This is the 38 batcher. There's a quarter drive I had on it. And a wee nip on it. Right, cool. So, really, we just need to put the oil in that one there. We've got the pipe all in, all ran, sump all resealed, everything cleaned. Should be all funky dory there, we should be good there. New man filter, primed that up, and that's that bolt I've been fighting there, man, jeez. And you can see we've got new brackets there, so an old one was pretty rotted out, so there you go. So we just need to put oil on this one. We'll do maybe a wee YouTube shot on it just to show that it's all good in the morning. So there you go guys, thanks for watching this one. That's this one all done. Hit that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and have yourselves a great day, okay? Hey guys, welcome back, the Blue Flashmobile. So VR, just checking oil to be honest with you. Should be pretty clean. Let's see. Should be spotless. It's not even been run yet, so. That's tip it there. That's pretty clean as well, so. And you all seen that, we primed oil filters, so. We'll maybe go with that. So I'll put the air filter, it doesn't need a new air filter, but I will put the box back on just for now. We'll run this and see what happens. So, put this bit back on. I did scale a little tiny bit of oil. So, pipe we cleaned on that. I'll leave the mess. Box which is full of crap, so we'll clean it, but we'll put it on just a minute. So we shall. Like so. There's my thoughts. Just set all this just now, and there's a little bit of oil because I need the filter box off it. Put that back off. What should I say? Kept trying like this. ones went out pretty quick. Let's check that they're spewing anything. You just see it's a bit rough to start with. Hard to see in, but if it was coming out, it'd be coming out at a fair old pressure. That turbo feed pipe's pressurised, so don't tell me if I left that on all night. No, thank God. So we didn't do a really good clean up in this place, man. Make rid of tyres, waste oil, scrap. It's a lot for one, man. This. I really need to find another mechanic. So we'll let this run for a second or two. We're going to need to go and rejig the rest of the workshop. Parts turned up which are wrong for Mercedes, so we'll need to rejig our route now. And we've got a Land Rover to inspect, a Land Rover waiting for parts, and the Mercedes we were going to crack on with today, the parts were wrong. So what can you do? What can you do? So we shall stick them up in the air and just double check. Stop there. So far so good. Turbo pipe looks okay. Still clipped on up there as well. Obviously there's a load of oil here and maybe the drive shaft seals may be leaking as well. We'll need to get them and clean it all. Go and try it. I should have had blue injector there. Well, here's your bad blue injector, sorry, but that's a little pipe feeding it into the DPF, I think. So, I mean, it looks good there, right? We're not leaking, sump looks all good. Sump looks good. See any leaks here. That's just some run down. And that's what it spilled there. So, there you go then. That looks okay. Nothing flying out it. We'll just keep it running here for a little while and double check. So thanks for watching. That one, the only fight we had was putting that turbo pipe on, and obviously we had all that guy's previous mess. You've seen all the strainer. The guy who did it before has been incredibly lucky. The van wasn't sitting at the side of the road with his boss going, mate, that one you did the sump on, just run there with the oil pressure light on. That's what could have happened. He's been incredibly lucky. So we'll let this run now and just double check it's okay, but certainly there's nothing flying out it, so looks good to me. So thanks for watching. Haven't already, hit the thumb, hit subscribe, have a great day, okay? Right, so she's been running for a good half hour. Yeah, it's nice and warm there, nice and warm in the filter, so I don't see any leaks. Everything seems all good. Nothing is dripped, no fresh drips. Turbo pipe, nothing spewing out. That looks good. I think we just need to change the air filter on it. Change the air filter. We'll let it sit till tomorrow and we'll check that oil level on it again. But she should be all good to go. So I think we'll get her parked up in the yard next door now. So thanks for watching. Hit the big thumb, hit that subscribe button, it's down there somewhere, man. Have a great day, okay?